Hi, first grade. Okay, today's practice page is page 133. We're going to be working on our phonics, our long O, long U, and long E with magic E. The directions, it says, use the words in the box to complete each sentence. Here's our word box. Write the word on the line. And again, as we go, we're going to cross off the words. This will help us with the rest of them. Number 1. My name is blank. Okay, I'm looking at the picture. Looks like a little girl. Let's look at my word bank. Let's go over my word bank really fast. We have huge, stove, Eve, these, road, and cone. So right now I can say, my name is. What do we know about having a name? What's something that we can identify a name with? Ask yourself. If you said a capital letter, you are correct. So I can look at my word box right here and find that Eve is a capital. So her name is Eve. And I'm going to cross that one out. Nice job. Make sure you pause the video if I start going too fast. You can always rewind it if you want, play it again. Number 2. Magic E, eat Pete on his bike. Okay, well, I'm looking at the picture. Looks like he's riding his bike. Pete blank on his bike. What did you think? If you thought rode, you are correct. He rode on his bike. Pete rode on his bike. Cross off road. Again, magic E makes the O say its name. Make sure you're writing your letters in the right part of the house. In the house, in the attic. We haven't had any in the basement yet, but we will. Its trunk is blank. It's an elephant. I think it's this one, huge. But let's look to make sure. Stove, these, cone. Nope, it's going to be huge, huh? So let's write huge right here. Two things. We have our magic E, making our U say its name, and the G that's soft. We learned that last week. Huge as a J sound. Cross off huge. Number 4. Do you like blank pants? Well, I don't think they're cone pants. Nope. And they're not stove pants. Nope. So we're going to write these with our TH and then ESE. If you thought just now that TH with the th when you put your fingers on your throat, give yourself a smiley face. Good job for thinking that. Moving up a little bit. Number 5. Put that pot on the... Well, we're not putting the pot on the cone. So let's go ahead and put the word stove. St. That's our blend. So we put our blend, S-T-O-V-E. Again, magic E, making the O say its name. Stove. Which leaves our last word, should be cone. If you ever do these pages and your last one doesn't make sense, you probably got one wrong, so you double check it. Cone. This is a big cone. Yep. C-O-N-E. I think it's a small cone. I would have a way bigger ice cream than that. All right. Awesome job, first grade. If you tried your very best, give yourself a big O star at the top. All right. Good job.